Yeah. These windows are fucking tinted. Yeah, this guy's good. What's up, everyone? This is Too Slow. This is my new Celica. It's a 2002 Celica GT that I bought off a follower from Instagram. He had messaged to me a while back asking if I had some knowledge in these automatic transmissions, if I could maybe help him out in getting it fixed. I gave him a few suggestions or a few ideas to do it, and I guess he couldn't take on the challenge of fixing it, and I ended up buying it. Bought this for $400 with everything you see, and it's in really bad state. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. I'm probably, well, I have the idea in mind that I'm gonna take apart everything, disassemble it, and see if there's any damage to the block. If there's damage to the block, I'm probably just gonna scrap the project, part out everything from it. And I was thinking about putting these Scion TC wheels in the Corolla XRS because I don't know, I want some 17s, and these are decent 17s, but I'm gonna end up maybe removing the black paint with some aircraft remover, and I guess if the color is still good underneath it, I'll keep it the machine look or the gray it is. And yeah, I'm gonna try and get this car back running again on a budget. I'm not gonna go past, I set my budget to $500. If I can't get it fixed with $500, then it's just going to pick and pull. I've been looking at automatic transmissions. I actually found a place that has them for $150 with about 150k miles. So I'm probably gonna go that route if I do end up fixing it. But I just want to show you guys a little bit of this new car. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably don't know that I got this earlier or sooner. Follow me on Instagram, and I post whenever like I get something, or whenever I, just follow me on Instagram right here. But let me get to it. Let me start taking stuff apart from it. What is up, YouTubers? This is Too Slow. This morning is cloudy with a chance of rain. But here I am with this parts selector that I bought. I'm in the process of removing the last two Scion TC wheels. As you guys can see, I'm jacking up this side. Then I took these out of my both. These are from one XRS. This is from another XRS. So I'm just gonna put this Celica on donuts, and what I'm gonna end up doing is putting my XRS wheels as spares. I'm not that type of person of, oh, weight reduction, bro, don't put a spare tire. No, it's fine. I'd rather put a full size spare wheel instead of these donuts. I hate these donuts, never liked them. But since this car is getting junked, I'm just gonna put it on all four donuts and just roll it out of here. But if you guys need any parts from this car, let me know. Not too much great left. I have already sold the side skirts to, I believe his Instagram is JRod89. I'm not sure what two combination number it was. Spoiler and rear valence went to Evan. This Ricer exhaust, it's all mangled up. No one wants that. Hatch does have a dent. Right here the hatch has a huge dent. You can't tell, but it has a dent, so that's kind of crappy. Taillight cracked, obviously. Nope. Quarter panels are actually in really nice shape. If someone has a busted up quarter panel and they want to come out here and cut it up, you're more than welcome to shoot me like 20 bucks and I'll let you take the whole quarter panel. You need a door, give me 20 bucks. You need a mirror, give me 5 bucks. I don't know. You need a tail light, give me 5 bucks. Like, I'm just trying to get rid of this car, but I'm trying to sell some stuff before I actually get rid of it. It's an automatic GT. Seats have been sold to Evan. It's just not repairable. It is, but it's just the amount of work that I'm gonna put on it is not worth it. I've already made my money back from what I paid for it, so it's whatever. Engine's still inside. It is busted up. Also, get out of there. Fucking car can just fall on you. But there's an old automatic transmission that's well cracked. Let me show you guys. Actually, this way. Hello. Guy went over a center divider. Car's totaled. It's not worth bringing it back from the dead, so I'm just gonna scrap it, removing most of the stuff that I can before I send it off to pick and pull. If you guys need something, just shoot me a message here on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. If you're local and you come pick up a lot of crap, I'll give you a huge discount. Like, I'm not trying to make money off of it, I'm just trying to help out fellow Celica owners. What else? I think that's about it on this pile of shit. When I upload this video, I'll probably hold on to it for like another month just to start taking parts off of it in case people do want stuff from it. So just let me know. We'll stay here for a whole month. Okay, that's removing the Scion TC wheel. Let's get it over here because we gotta wash them off. There's a lot of mud on them and dog turd. Oop. Here's the spare donut. Oh god. Are these camber arms? I believe they are. Can someone let me know? Lowering springs, I believe. Not sure what brand, but probably eBay generic. Well, who knows? Oh boy. I'll most likely take these off, but once the car's on 4 wheels, I'll take them off. Donut steelies installed. Finally. Anyone needs a rear lip for a 09 to 12 Corolla S rear bumper? Let me know. I'll sell it to you pretty cheap.